Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Xero, the accounting software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Xero anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that keeping up with your books can be kind of annoying, and Xero is a popular way to automate a lot of that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Xero website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the Xero website, and this is the home screen. Now, from time to time, Xero does run various promotions. So looks like right now it's 95% off for the first 3 months. If you're looking for a discount, check my video description again with my referral link. Sometimes there's a discount available. But once you're here on the homepage, you want to go ahead and click on compare pricing and plan. Okay, so here you're going to need to choose what type of Xero account you're going to need. So they have an early, growing, and established. And then here are the limitations below. So you can see early is $15 normally per month, growing is $47, and established is $80. And the limitations are basically the invoices. So for this one, you can set up to 20 invoices. So if you're an established company, this one is not going to be sufficient for you. You're probably going to want to sign up for at least the growing. Also, depending on what the promotion is, if you look right here, if you buy right away, it's 3 months at 95% discount, or you can do 1 month for free. So just choose whichever plan applies to you based off of this criteria right here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose this plan. Okay, next, when you're signing up for Xero, they're going to let you know what the pricing plan includes and then also what the price is going to be right here. So this one's going to be a 30-day free trial. So I'm going to click on continue to next step. Okay, here in order to sign up for Xero, they're going to ask you a few questions about your business, like what country does your business operate in, first, last name, email, and phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, so I went ahead and entered the required information. I'm going to click here, continue to next step. Okay, next, Xero is asking for my billing details, including my billing address, city, state, and zip. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen and then click on continue to next step. Okay, next, in order to sign up for Xero, you do need to enter in your credit card or your payment information. So if you sign up for the free trial, it's not going to bill. However, the credit card information does need to be entered so that way they can automatically bill after your free trial if that's the option that you chose. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my card information in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my credit card information. I'm going to click on confirm payment. Now they do let you know when the free trial begins and also that they're going to automatically bill the card afterward. So make sure you're okay with that before you click on confirm payment. Okay, next, when you're creating your Xero account, they do send you an email after you send in your payment like I did, and you need to click on the email to activate the account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here is the email I just received. I'm going to go ahead and click here to confirm my account. Okay, now it brings me to this page to go ahead and create a password for my Xero account that I signed up for. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that password in and then click activate your account. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me into my Xero account. So now they're asking what my business name is and the industry. So let me go ahead and just type this in, Make Money Anthony, and then the industry, we'll just say marketing. No. Okay, let me go ahead and just put in education. Okay, next you want to go ahead and click on start using Xero. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me into my Xero dashboard. So you can go ahead and start creating invoices, connecting your bank accounts, and balancing your books. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.